Incorrect match. What are the bones which are all present in the cranial part and facial part? We have studied that there are total of 22 bones in the skull, of which cranium 8, we will be having 8 and 14 in the facial part. Cranial bones, sphenoid and ethmoid, that's correct. Now, zygomatic, the large bone, zygomatic and vomer, single one, they are part of the facial bones. That's correct. Maxilla, maxilla is the upper jaw bone. It is not a part of the cranium, it is part of the facial. So, this we can omit. Inferior nasal conchae, they are also called turbinal, small bones present in the nasal passage. It is called turbinal. So, it is part of the facial, not cranial. Frontal, that's correct. Inferior nasal conchae, again that is incorrect. Conchae is not a part of the cranial bones. Palatine, palatine is a part of the facial part. Okay, so we know that all others are wrong and only A is the correct. Though the names of the bones are not in the NCERT book, you have to study it. What are the bones that are all present in them? And again, understand that in the cranial part of the 8 bones, only 2 bones are paired. They are the parietals and temporals. Okay, only 2 are paired. Whereas of the 14 bones, the facial, only 2 are unpaired. A vomer and the mandible lower jaw. All others are paired. Here only 2 are paired. Here only 2 are unpaired. That is single. All others are paired here. Okay.